Okay, this how-to video is going to talk about where to access the Cadence Help Documentation that's available in the 17.2 release. So there's a couple of ways to do this. We can go to the Start menu on Windows 10, Cadence Release 17.2, and then there's a Cadence Help icon, and this will launch the Cadence Help. So once the Help documentation is up here, we can kind of either pick something specifically that we're looking for, or we can just start to type up here. So if we said something like maybe let's go for root. You'll get all the general help about specific routing design, post-root cleanup and whatever, and you can click on one of these and it would then open the A commands, and I could click on the PDF and then this would write a PDF document of the A comms, which will give me a list of all the A commands if I needed to go and find anything about these type of items. Another method is the help documentation. So if we go to the Cadence installation folder, so 17.2, there's a doc folder here. These are all the individual help doc locations. So if I look at the product notes, for example, now there is a PDF in here because I've already downloaded these. These are not provided with the download anymore, so you can actually go onto the support website and download these PDF files. So we can open this, and this would effectively give me all the product notes in a PDF format. So to do this, I would go to the support website, so http://support.cadence.com. I could log in with my my support login account. And then once I'm there, if I did a search for SPB documents, there's an option here to how can I download the 17.2 SPB documents. So if I then click on follow the solution here, so there's the solution, there's the link to the actual documentation itself, and I would scroll down to Silicon Package Board Co-Design SPB 17.2, and I could click on the download, and that would download a zip file of all the PDFs that you would just extract into that doc folder, and then you would have access to all the PDFs.